apple, red and sweet. B is for banana, a tasty treat. C is for cat, so fluffy and small. D is for dog, who loves to play ball. E is for elephant, big and strong. F is for fish, swimming along. G is for giraffe, tall and bright. H is for hat, worn in the light. A, B, C, come sing with me. D, E, F, it's as easy as can be. G, H, I, let's have some fun. We'll sing the alphabet till it's done. I is for ice cream, cold and sweet. J is for jelly, a wobbly treat. K is for kangaroo, hopping around. L is for lion, roaring loud. M is for monkey, swinging so high. N is for night, when stars fill the sky. O is for octopus with arms galore. P is for panda, always wanting more. E, C, come sing with me. D, E, F, it's as easy as can be. G, H, I, let's have some fun. We'll sing the alphabet till it's done. Q is for queen with the royal crown. R is for rainbow colors all around. S is for snake, slithering by. T is for tiger, watch it fly by. U is for unicorn, a magical sight. V is for violin, playing so bright. W is for whale, swimming the sea. X is for xylophone, ringing so free. Y is for yak, with fur so thick. Z is for zebra, with stripes so quick. Now we've sung the whole alphabet, from A to Z, don't forget. A, B, C, come sing with me. D, E, F, it's as easy as can be. G, H, I, let's have some fun. We've sung the alphabet till it's done. A, B, C, we did it, hooray. Come back tomorrow and sing again, okay?